Hey everyone, imagine a stock that's crashed nearly 47% in just 3 months, but still has analysts buzzing with a target price over 50% higher than where it sits today. That's SoundHound AI, and trust me, there's more to this story than meets the eye. Today, we're diving into its wild ride over the past 3 months, unpacking its record-breaking Q4 2024 earnings, and figuring out if this voice AI innovator is a buy or a bust. Stick with me. This one's packed with info you won't want to miss. Let's kick things off with how SoundHound AI stock has been holding up. 3 months ago, on December 13th, 2024, it was trading at around $16.91 per share. Fast forward to today, March 13th, 2025, and it's down to $8.91. That's a jaw-dropping 47% drop. Despite that, the company's market cap is still a hefty $3.64 billion, based on its 366 million shares outstanding. So what's behind this slide? It could be a mix of tough competition in the AI space, worries about profit margins, or just broader market nerves. But don't jump ship yet. There's a lot more to unpack. Now, let's dive into the juicy stuff. SoundHound AI's Q4 2024 earnings dropped on February 27th, 2025. This was a blockbuster quarter for them. Revenue hit a record $34.5 million. That's up an insane 101% from Q4 last year. For the full year of 2024, they pulled in $85 million, an 85% jump from 2023, hitting the top end of their guidance. They're clearly tapping into the growing demand for voice AI, powering everything from drive-through orders to car dashboards. But here's where it gets interesting. They're not profitable yet. Q4 showed a non-GAAP net loss of $19 million, or about 5 cents per share. On the GAAP side, it's uglier, with a $220 million non-cash hit tied to acquisition adjustments. Still, their margins tell a brighter story. The GAAP gross margin was 40%, but strip out those one-off costs, and the non-GAAP margin hits 52%. They've got a long-term goal of over 70%, so there's room to grow. What's fueling this? Heavy spending. R&D costs jumped 60% to $20.4 million. Think cutting-edge voice tech. Sales and marketing soared 114% to $9.6 million, chasing new customers. And general admin costs? Up 115% to $16.4 million, likely from being a public company. It's a growth play, but it's costing them. Here's the silver lining. They've got nearly $200 million in cash and zero debt. That's a rock-solid balance sheet. Plus, their backlog in bookings? Nearly $1.2 billion, up 75% from last year, locked in for about 6 years. That's a massive pipeline of future revenue. And get this, they've cut reliance on their biggest customer from 50% of revenue in 2023 to just 14% in 2024. They're spreading their wings. So, is SoundHound AI worth your money? Let's break it down. Analysts are hyped. They've slapped a buy rating on it with an average price target of $13.83. That's over 50% upside from today's $8.91. They're betting on this voice AI leader, which serves over 200 business clients. Think 30% of top fast food chains and 70% of financial institutions. That's serious market traction. But there's a flip side. That 47% drop shows volatility, and they're still burning cash to grow. The AI market's a battlefield. Google, Amazon, Apple, they're all in the game. SoundHound's edge? Their tech's trained on billions of conversations, handling dozens of languages, and they're laser-focused on business solutions, not just consumer gadgets. Looking ahead, SoundHound's got big plans. For 2025, they're forecasting $157 to $177 million in revenue. That's up to double this year's haul. They're even aiming to hit adjusted EBITDA profitability by the end of 2025, meaning they think they can rein in costs while scaling up. That $1.2 billion backlog? It's a safety net, promising steady cash flow down the road. Short term, though, buckle up. This stock could swing hard. More dips aren't off the table if markets sour or competition heats up. But long term, if they nail profitability and keep innovating, this could be a home run. That 47% drop might be your golden ticket to buy low, especially if you're in it for the next few years. Just know the risks. They've got to outpace giants and turn those losses into wins. There you have it, SoundHound AI in all its glory. From a record Q4 to a bold 2025 outlook, this stock's a roller coaster with real potential. Thanks for sticking with me through this deep dive. I hope it's got you thinking about your next move. If you love this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more stock scoops. Drop a comment. Would you bet on SoundHound AI? Catch you in the next one.